emet ni ijambo ry'igiheburayo mu kinyarwanda risobanura ukuri. Iyo uvuze el emet uba uvuze ngo Dieu de vérité, bisobanura Imana y'ukuri.
Greetings to all the people who follow Emet TV. I send my condolences to the family and all the people who loved Musa Bimana. Gloriose, especially the Rwandan people. Musa Bimana Gloriose, who knew as Gogo on TikTok and YouTube. Gogo was Rwandan singer who singed gospel songs and worked for God and was 90% disabled. And her disability was category number 1. But she worked for God and made people laugh. She gave joy to us. She died during Evangelisation in Uganda. The disease that caused her death is asphyxia in Siengela Medical Hospital Center. Gogo died on her 37 years old. She was born December 4th, 1989. May the Lord keeps her at the safety places in heaven.